Yeah, I'm in a tent.
I know.
Yeah. Scared the shit out of me.
My wife says if we use a camper, it's going to say Holiday Inn across it.
Right.
That's turkey.
Man, these people are so lucky. So glad nobody got hurt. Wow. We got all these trees down. We just got hit by a tornado. That was...
Okay, cool. All right.
Wow. Yeah, I went through this guy's camper, moved him over a few inches. A big picnic table destroyed. Pretty heavy tables for the wind to be picking up. That's crazy. That is so crazy. Right on. Hey guys, say hi to my YouTube channel. We all survived. We're all here. It's the mowing crew, a bunch of good guys here.